I want to spend just a couple minutes with you showing you how to scan students into a roster using the VTA Badge application. What I'm going to do is pick the roster icon from the toolbar, and that lets me search for classes. Now I can look for scheduled classes, and if that's the case, I might extend my date range and hit search, see the things that are scheduled. If I'm looking at history sessions, because I can scan people into history as well, I would just change my radio button to look at history sessions. Now from this page, I can do a couple things. First, I could select a session and just print the roster for that session, or I could hit the second tab to record attendance. Now that brings up a page where I have focus in my VTA badge box, and what I can do, I'm picking up my barcode scanner and an ID right now, and I'm scanning a person, and it shows that he is okay. That means he's enrolled in this session, has met the prerequisites, those kind of things. If I want, I'll scan a second person now, and it will tell me that the student is enrolled but hasn't met the prerequisites. The system will go ahead and recognize the fact that he is there for the class. And then finally, I'm going to scan one more here, and this is a person that is not enrolled. So what I'm going to do now, because I'm scanning them just as I would be scanning them into a actual session, what I'll do is I'll hit move to history on the tab, and then I can either go ahead and move that session over to history, or for the student that is not enrolled, I could hit show schedule and I would see if he was scheduled in any other session, but right now he doesn't appear to be. Would like to be able to go ahead and load that person into a session as well, since clearly they are in the class. So here, what I'm going to do is hit move to history. That's going to give me a notice here off the screen that it was successful and I can close. Now if I go back into my actual VTA application, that session is going to be in history, so I can come in and see that guy. So if I go into my events and my training history here for this session, there's my 219 session of badge training that I just moved to history. Again, just a quick walkthrough of using the roster function inside the VTA badge application. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call, area code 281-480-7910, or as always, VTA support at RISC-Inc.com.